¿Qué hacer, Belle?
We need this to cut the crab, and we're making some seaweed and crab. Seaweed is the pasta.
Show me.
I'm just drying this off.
Show me. Second.
Show you what?
La pasta.
Oh, the pasta's over there. Okay, and just let me put this down. I'm going to put it over here. This is the pasta. This is the crab. And we're going to color the pasta green because it's supposed to be seaweed. So seaweed is green. And we're going to need some Parmesan cheese, just a little bit. And we're going to have this for the side. Daddy,